learners, I have made today theory questions over a decade, that is from 2011 to 2022, wildlife questions to be precise. Who's ready? Alright, 2015 question 1. Explain the concept of ecological pyramids, highlighting their types, significance, and understanding energy flow in ecosystems for 20 marks. Next question, 2018. Question 2. Discuss the carbon cycle, highlighting its importance in regulating Earth's climate and maintaining ecosystem balance for 25 marks. And then the last question, 2020. Describe the relationship between producers, consumers, and decomposers in an ecosystem, highlighting the energy transformations that occur at each tropic level for 10 marks. Let's go answer them. The first one says, explain the concept of the ecological pyramids, highlighting the types and significance in understanding energy flow in the ecosystems. Now, ecological pyramids are pyramids of numbers, represents the number of individuals at each tropic level, The second one, it's about the representation of biomass at each tropic level, that's pyramid of biomass. And the third one is the pyramid of energy, which represents energy at each tropic level. Now, its significance. It illustrates energy flow and losses, demonstrates tropic relationships, highlight ecosystem efficiency. Ecological pyramid visualizes energy flow, helping understand ecosystem dynamics. Next question. We're asked to discuss the carbon cycle, highlighting its importance in regulating Earth's climate and maintaining ecosystem balance for 25 marks. Now, the carbon cycle. Photosynthesis, respiration, decomposition, and human activities release carbon into the major processes or steps in the carbon cycle. Photosynthesis sees to carbon sequestration, respiration sees to carbon release, decomposition leads to carbon breakdown, and human activities such as burning of fossil fuel and deforestation. Now, importance. First of all, it regulates Earth's climate. It maintains ecosystem balance. It also supports life processes. The carbon cycle, ensures carbon exchange, influencing climate and ecosystem health. 2020, question 3. Describe the relationships between producers, consumers, and decomposers in an ecosystem, highlighting the energy transformations that occur at each tropic level for 30 marks. Now, the relationships. Producers are the autotrophs. They convert solar energy into biomass. Now, the consumers, that is the heterotrophs, right? They obtain energy from the producers. Decomposers, on the other hand, break down organic matter, releasing nutrients. Energy transformation. Photosynthesis by producers, respiration done by consumers, decomposition happen by the action of decomposers. Energy flows through ecosystems via producer-consumer-decomposer interactions. Did you know that trees communicate and help each other through an underground network of fungi? This phenomenon, known as the Wood Wide Web, allows trees to share nutrients and water, warn each other of potential threats, e.g. insect attacks, and support each other's growth. This symbiotic relationship between trees and fungi is made possible by mycorrhizal networks, that's fungi connecting tree roots, chemical signals, that is trees releasing chemical signals through roots. This incredible network enhances forest resilience, promotes biodiversity, and supports the ecosystem balance. Source: D.R. Susan Simert Research, University of British Columbia. Add this fascinating fact to the in-depth knowledge of the functioning ecosystems to highlight the intricate, interconnected nature of the functioning ecosystems. Thank you so much for joining us. Catch you later.